Welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Introduce the car, white 10th Gen Civic. Hook, this isn't your average Civic. This is a wide-body weapon. Focus on the wide-body kit. Explain why it's wide. Aesthetics, wider wheels for grip. Highlight the aggressively styled rear quarter panels and how they completely change the car's silhouette. Mention the cut-and-bolt nature of these extreme kits. Detail the GT wing for downforce and looks and the aggressive rear diffuser. Discuss the quad-tip exhaust setup, more aggressive sound and visual presence. Mention the wide, low-offset wheels that are perfectly flush with the wide body. Forget the standard family sedan. This is the wide-body Honda Civic, a street fighter built for pure aggression. Key detail. It all starts with this massive wide-body conversion, drastically changing the car's stance and silhouette. Focus. Emphasize the sheer width and the track-ready look. The wide fenders allow for these incredibly wide aftermarket wheels and tires. This perfect, low stance isn't easy to achieve. It's a commitment to the custom car life. The combination of the flared arches and the wide tires transforms the Civic from a commuter into a JDM tuner masterpiece. A perfect blend of JDM street culture and modern tuner aggression. End with a question for your viewers. What are your thoughts on this wide-body monster? Honda Civic Off-Road and subscribe. My YouTube channel, like and share video. And thanks for watching video my YouTube channel RideNexus.